Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Jobs. Today I have come up with a new opportunity which is Oracle PL SQL Developer. I am looking out for people with Oracle experience. Not Oracle, it is PL SQL development, which is Oracle as a database. We need people in that. So the experience ranges 4 to 8 years. If you have 9 years also, not a problem. Feel free to share your resume. The main role which you are going to do is development here. It is not a support, or you don't have to work in night shift. It is completely a day shift job which you have to work, and it is purely development. There are few organizations, they will say you it is a development project in the beginning, but when you enter inside that organization, you will end up in support projects. Here it will not happen. You will be working as a developer here, and obviously as a PL SQL developer you have to work in forms and reports, and Unix shell scripting is very important, because I am very sure that 90% of people PL SQL developers will do Unix shell scripting. So you should be very strong in Unix shell scripting as well. So ensure that before the interview you just brush up yourself before applying for this job. And one more thing, if you have worked in manufacturing or in banking domain, it will be an added advantage, because the current project which I am hiring is for a manufacturing client. So they need manufacturing domain experience people, and banking would be an added advantage. If you have worked in banking, not a problem. Please share your resume to me. And one more thing is an added advantage, which is DevOps. If you know DevOps little bit, because a lot of PL SQL people are migrating to DevOps and they are upgrading themselves in DevOps as well. So if you know DevOps, or if you know Apex, well and good. I am okay with that. Feel free to share your resume. And in my past videos I have posted a couple of job opening for other skills as well. If you know your friends looking out for a job change who has 90 days notice period, don't worry, I don't have any constraint in notice period. And one more thing, I don't work for a consultancy, I am a corporate recruiter. So don't hesitate, your profile will be kept confidentially, it will not be shared anywhere. So trust and share your resume. I'll surely get in touch with you, and you will get a job, dream job, soon as possible. Thank you.